Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So the image shows a leaf palisade cell. What would the correct appearance of the leaf palisade cell be after it has been placed in a highly concentrated solution of sugar after an hour? Hmm. So that
There'll
means
be
that
high
water
water
will be dilute.
dilute here, and
Yes.
then from dilute to concentrated.
Mm-hmm. I think you move
So
out. Wait, no,
it'll move
dilute. Mm-hmm.
out of the palisade cell.
Which will
So
make it.
it'll become flaccid.
Mm-hmm. Wait, scroll down. Okay.
The answer cannot be
Then,
the answer cannot be D
yes.
because it has a cell wall.
Mm-hmm. And cell walls cannot just
The
burst like
answer
that.
can't be B because it won't. The water will move out, not
Yes.
in. The answer can't be A because the cell wall gives support to it.
Yes.
So it's C.
Yes. Let's go to the next question.
What causes the diffusion of carbon dioxide out of a living cell?
Hmm. With the living cell.
Random movement of molecules.
Hmm.
Because if it's a solid, it is densely packed,
Yes.
so it cannot diffuse.
Mm-hmm.
But since there are random movements, like here, 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 like in a gas, like CO2, then diffusion can take place.
Yep.
So the correct answer is B.
Mm-hmm.
Question 5. Which of the structures below is best adapted for diffusion? Um,
Then bronchial is not
bronchiole.
sure. Yes.
Yes.
Let's go to the next question. Medium.
Which of the following statements would be correct for both diffusion and osmosis? Does not require energy from cell. Yes. It is a passive movement of molecules.
Random movements.
Yeah, and it's passive.
Yes.
Molecules must be separated by a partially permeable membrane. Molecules move from a dilute to more concentrated solution.
Hmm. Okay, they say for both diffusion and come on, both diffusion and osmosis. So it's not only one that we'll be looking at.
Yeah.
So in diffusion and osmosis, we don't require energy from the cell, so this will be correct. And in both diffusion and osmosis, they don't need to be we don't require partially permeable membrane. This will not
Um,
be correct.
we do.
No, in diffusion we don't.
We do.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
But we don't need this. Dilute to concentrated. Higher concentration. No, because diffusion is higher concentration. High
Yes.
to low. But osmosis is in terms of water. So that
Yep.
one will be dilute to concentrated. So it's A.
Wait.
Wait,
Come
correct
on.
answer is C.
Wait, diffusion does not require permeable membrane. You
Oh,
see, they said diffusion and osmosis, so you don't require
okay. Yeah.
a partially
This
permeable membrane.
this is because diffusion is the movement of particles down the concentration gradient. It is a passive process that occurs whenever there is a concentration gradient. Osmosis is the diffusion of water through a partially permeable membrane. Okay, makes sense.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so it's C. Yeah. Let's
Yes,
go to the next question.
a number of red blood cells were immersed in a pure solution of water before being observed through before being observed under a microscope. There was a dramatic change in their appearance. Which row of the table below correctly describes and explains what happened to the red blood cells? Water moved in, yes,
Mm-hmm.
from higher to lower concentration. No,
No.
it's dilute to concentrated. So
Yes.
it's so the second option. It moves in, yes, and it's not from higher to lower. Mhm. From higher to lower water potential, yes, the cell will burst. So it's B.
Yeah. Well, I'm not quite sure for this one, but okay, sure. A plant observes a number of substances into its roots. Which row of the table below correctly shows the substances absorbed by the roots and how these substances are absorbed? Hmm. Diffusion. I think water is by osmosis. Yeah, osmosis. Oxygen is
Osmosis.
by diffusion.
Minerals is
This is
active
by active
transport.
transport.
Oxygen is
So,
not absorbed by the roots. And then
okay, not by the
water
roots.
is
Sorry.
osmosis. So it's
Yes,
D.
makes sense. The image below shows two solutions separated by a partially permeable membrane. Which of the statements below would be true in relation to the image? There is no net movement of water from W to X. There
No,
is, yes,
there is.
there would be movement of water from of water molecules from W to X. Yes, water will move from W to X.
Mhm.
Also, let's look at the other ones as well too. Osmosis of water molecules would occur from the dilute solution W to the
Yeah,
concentrated
so it's
solution
C.
X. Solution X is more dilute and therefore has a higher water potential than solution W. Be movement of wait, but then they say which one is true in relation to the image.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go to the next one, I think.
Mhm. Which
Which
of
of the
read?
go ahead.
Which of the statements below correctly describes the importance of osmosis in plant tissues? Plants are
Mhm.
supported by osmosis, filling the cell wall with water, increasing the strength. No. Plants are supported by the pressure of water inside the cells, pressing outwards on the cell wall. Yeah. Plants are supported by the pressure of water outside the cells pressing inwards on the cell wall. No. Plants are supported by osmosis, filling the cell membrane with water. No.
No, it's the cell wall that's already producing strength,
It
giving
has
it
to
strength.
press outwards on the cell wall.
Mm-hmm.
That's turgidity. So it's B. Three statements about the role of water in mammals are given below. Water forms a major part of the cytoplasm, allowing substances to dissolve and participate in metabolic reactions within the cell. Substances such as urea and excess salts are able to dissolve in water, making them easier to remove from the body in urine. Allows substances to be transported around the body in the blood. Which of the statements above are true?
Let's see. Water from a major part forms a make of the cytoplasm. Yes, true.
Substances such as urea and excess salts are able to dissolve in water, making them easier to remove from body as urine.
I
In
think
urine,
that's
yes. Allows substances to be transported around the body in the blood.
yeah, I think that's also true.
Yes.
So I think all of the statements.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I think let's move on to the hard part and then we'll be done with the video.
Yeah. A, a group of students carried out an investigation into osmosis using cylinders of potatoes. The results from the experiment are shown below. Concentration of salt, mole,
Salt.
mole per dm cube, 0.2.
Mm-hmm.
Mass of potato cylinder at the start of the investigation will be 2.5 grams, and the mass of potatoes cylinders after 24 hours is 2.7 grams. Which
Yep.
statement below correctly explains this change in mass? Um, Out of the potato. No.
No, I think it'll be inside the
The salt
potato cell.
solution has a lower water potential than the potato cells. No, it can't be out.
Yes, can be.
So it has to be
That's
into the potato cells.
yes.
The salt solution has a lower water potential than the potato cells. Yes,
Yeah.
therefore C.
Mm-hmm.
Let's check the answer. Correct answer is D.
Oh, I think we made a mistake somewhere. Let's look at it again.
The less concentrated a solution is, the higher the water potential. Oh yes, yes, yes.
Okay, wait. Makes sense, makes sense.
The salt solution has a higher water potential. So from high to low,
We know.
which is the potato cells.
Yes.
So it's D.
Mm-hmm. The image below shows part of a cross-section to a leaf. Which row of the table below correctly shows the movements of various substances? Let's scroll up. Hmm. From the three, isn't that the guard cell in the stomata?
Diffusion of water vapor will be 3.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
What?
wait,
Oh, Aspiration, I
Movement
think.
of water by osmosis will be 1.
Yes.
Yes. 2 will be evaporation of water. Yes.
Yeah.
And 3 will be diffusion of
Diffusion.
water vapor.
So it
Mm-hmm.
will be 2, 1, and 3.
So it's
So
D.
D, I think. Yes.
Two identical square pieces of beetroot are cut. Each square of beetroot has a mass of 3 grams. One, which is S, is placed in a concentrated salt solution. The other T is placed in pure water. What would the mass of the two pieces of beetroot be after 3 hours?
So I think one of them will decrease and one of them will increase.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So S is placed in concentrated salt solution.
Wait, so I think it will decrease by 1.
Yes.
So it will be this. Wait.
No. It will just any like it can be by 0.1 or 0.3, but you have to look at the T, how much it increases. I
Wait, but
think.
first of all, it has to increase and 1 will decrease. It can't
Yeah, so
be A, it can't be D,
and
it
it
can't
can't
be
be,
B,
so it has to be
so
C.
it's C.
Yes. Let's move on to the next question. A group of students carried out an investigation into osmosis using cylinders of potato. The results from the experiment are shown below. Concentration of salt solution, we don't potato cylinder that's 35. Length of potato cylinder after 24 hours, 33. That means the length has decreased. Which statements
Yeah.
below correctly show the change in height and show the concentration of the sugar
It
solution?
has to be concentrated. So it can't
Yes,
be A and it can't be D.
the, hmm, the solution in the potato is more dilute. Solution around the potato, the solution to dilute the solution around the
The
potato.
solution in the potato is more dilute than the solution around the potato.
Yes, because then water will go out since the length has
High to
decreased.
low, yeah. So
Yes.
it's B. Mm-hmm.
Think so. Let's go to the, I think, last question, question 5.
The image below shows the molecules in two solutions separated by a membrane.
Okay, so since there's a fully permeable membrane, I think osmosis will take place here. In which direction
No,
would there
it
be
won't be
movement?
osmosis. Osmosis is partially permeable membrane.
Okay, it says fully permeable. Okay, yes, makes sense.
In which
Hmm.
direction would there be movement? Water molecules from
Water
right
from,
to left.
wait, isn't it left to right?
No, right to left. Because it's more here. Diffusion.
Okay, yes, sorry, I was looking at I thought the square were the water.
And
Okay.
solute molecules will be from left
Water
to
will go here and then will be sending and
so it's D.
yes, I think that should be all for today's video.
And that
Please
brings us to the end of this.
make sure to comment, subscribe, and like the video and share it with your friends.
Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I hope we've been
Yeah,
helpful to you.
but I
Thank you.
think I'm lagging out.